Hey guys, we're back. It's Stephanie and we have a new product to try today. So as discussed in the other video, we are going to try a few changes, and some of those changes are to some supplements that we're going to be taking. So give this video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you know when we upload the next video. So I am going to introduce you to a new product today. Well, it's new to me. If y'all have heard it, let me know in the comment section down below. But the company sent me over this product so we could try it out, and we are going to test it. So this is X4 from NUCIFIC. This helps with, it manages your cravings. It helps with promoting weight management. It helps to boost your metabolism and helps you support smoother digestion. So you take 1 capsule with each meal 3 times a day, may take up to 2 per meal, do not exceed 6 capsules per day. Now, this has probiotics in it, you know, enzymes. It has green tea extract and some Slimaluna, which is branded specifically for this product. So we are going to try to take this within the next week, and I am going to let you know all the details. Now, also, the company did give y'all a coupon code. It is Stephanie20, and that is for a 20% off the entire site. Yes, that's correct. You get 20% off site-wide using the code Stephanie20. The link is in the description box down below. The link and all the information is going to be down in the description box down below if y'all want to try it with me. But yeah, so they sent me 2 bottles, and we are going to incorporate this into our daily routine, and we were going to let you know at the end of the week all the ups, downs, and ins betweens. And I'm excited. Are you excited with me? Okay, so we're going to do our first dose right now. And as you can see, tamper-proof still. I haven't opened this product. This is the first time I'm opening it. This is the first time I'm trying this product out. And we are going to try it together. So, and I don't know about y'all, but I don't really take a whole lot of I take my daily vitamin. I take 2 doses of a daily vitamin. I take 1 in the afternoon and 1 at night. I take some omega-3 fatty acids. You know, I take other stuff, my medication that I'm on and stuff like that. But I'm excited to try this because this aids in digestion. And if you are on a low carb diet, sometimes we need some help in the digestion area. So I'm going to go ahead and take this. I'm going to take 1. It says you can take up to 2, and then we'll go through the week taking our daily supplements. And then at the end of the week, I will come back and tell you exactly how I feel about this product. But yeah, I'm excited to try it. You know, I did get the ingredients list and everything, and I'm excited. So we're going to take this one. And I will let you know how it works later. Okay, you guys, so we are back, and let me tell you about this NUCIFIC X4. So I took it the first day, and I noticed that, you know, I had more energy, which is great. Most weight supplements do that, but this energy was different. It didn't make me jittery or like extremely like, you know, so ugly face. But yeah, so I was excited about that. As far as digestion goes, I do eat a lot of protein, so sometimes I'm a little stopped up, but I've been going regularly, so I mean, that's good. It does carry me out through the day. As you know, I work staring at computers all day, so not only here, but like at the office too. I mean, I am losing weight again, so I can't say that I'm going to stop taking this. I think I'm going to keep on taking it. It works really well. It's got like a healthy energy. It don't make me jittery. It don't make me feel like I'm gonna lose my mind or something. And then like on the days that I forgot to take it, I don't have that, oh, I need to take it or I need caffeine or whatever. I don't have that. So that was good. I didn't have any issues on the days that I forgot to take it, like no caffeine headaches or no caffeine withdrawals or whatever you want to call them. So I definitely recommend this. The link and coupon code will be in the description box down below. Like I said, the company did send this to me, and I'm going to give my honest opinion no matter whether they send it to me or what. And I actually like this product a lot, and I'm going to continue using it because when I take it, I have like that healthy energy feeling. And then when I don't take it, I don't have any signs or symptoms that I'm not taking it. And to me, that right there alone describes a good product. So, I mean, I do recommend this. I will link it in the description box down below. Like, if you do have any health issues, do not take my word from it. I am not a doctor. I am just a YouTube person. I do have my bachelor's degree, but that's in business management. So we're not gonna discuss about health concerns. If you have any health concerns or you have any health problems whatsoever, seek and advice from your healthcare professional, not people on the internet. Some people are very, very qualified. I'm not qualified to give healthcare information. But other than that, I absolutely like this product and I plan on taking it often. So link will be in the description box down below if y'all do want to look at it. If y'all do try it, please come back and comment on my video and let me know how it made you feel, if it helped you, if it hurt you, if whatever. I want to know everything. I want to know the good, the bad, the ugly. But for now, that's all we got. But yeah, I'm going to continue taking this. I added it to my daily regimen, and I actually like this product a lot. So we will see y'all next time, and y'all have a great day. Bye.